Welcome to the Ashbourne Grand Pantry 23, part of Carlisle Homes' Easy Living series. Joining us today is Jess Hodges, Carlisle Homes Interior Design Manager. With over 15 years experience and multiple industry awards under her belt, Jess has a unique ability to create interior spaces that are both stylish and functional. Jess, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you, Emily.
Thank you. So first of all, I would love to talk to you about what was your vision for this home?
Look, when we were creating the look and feel for this home, we just wanted it to be a really bright, light, welcoming space. We wanted it to feel soft in nature, and we've actually applied the organic interior scheme to this home.
Jess, how does this scheme make you feel when you walk into this space?
Look, I think we wanted people to feel just really calm, really relaxed. We wanted the space to feel soft, but family friendly as well. I think this home lends itself heavily to our first home buyers, but essentially anyone that's looking for an organic, but also a contemporary space to live in.
So what key features should visitors look out for when they come into the Ashbourne Grand Pantry 23?
I think one of the biggest key features is the kitchen, which is behind us, heart of the home. But the showpiece is really the grand pantry behind us. So we've got plenty of storage, really clean lines in there, but also the bathrooms. They're very well appointed, very spacious and durable tiles throughout as well.
And what about accent pieces?
I think things like greenery is really important in an interior space. And I think it really brings the space to life. But I think when you're choosing some of your decor pieces, like your ceramics, keep them really natural in form, also in material. But when you're considering things like your scatter cushions and your throws, keep them really natural and neutral.
Thank you so much, Jess, for sharing your expertise with us. This organic interior scheme truly brings the Ashbourne Grand Pantry 23 to life, and it offers the perfect blend of style and practicality. Experience it for yourself by visiting the Ashbourne Grand Pantry 23 at Woodley Estate and see how this design could transform your home.